If you wanna know what's cooking, watch Running 999.
Water, soy sauce. You don't really have to use sake, but it's better to use for the flavor. Japanese dashi powder. A little bit of sugar. Fire. Once it's boiled, the soup is ready. Now we need to boil udon. Drain. Basic udon is done. So easy, right? This basic udon is already really good, but if you want to add some toppings, I use white bait and umeboshi. I hope it's available for you to make it at home. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.